So we caught this Amazon tree boa last night, brought him back to camp just to show some of the guys that weren't so keen on walking through the jungle at night, which is completely understandable. And now we shall release him back into the wild. Come on, buddy, I know you want to go. Let me see. Is this not the right tree? Let's go. Let's go a bit farther in. Look at this, guys. Isn't that so close? Like right next to camp. All right, here we go. There you go, buddy. Actually, here. There you go. Try that. Huh? Right there. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Look at him. Too cool. All right, little guy. Miss you. It's not something we can find back home in Texas in your backyard, you know? Amazon tree boas. And away he goes.